boys and girls, let's take a look at this problem. The directions say to rewrite the division problem on the whiteboard, solve, show all of your work. So we've got 827 divided by 19. The first step is that we need to rewrite this so that we can solve it. All right, there's our division house. We're going to make 827. This is our dividend. And our divisor is 19. Okay. I'm also going to set this up, and I'm going to kind of make my nice not straight line. There we go. Set this up so that I can do some of my trial and error over here to help me solve this problem. Now, I'm going to take a look at 19. I don't know my 19 facts. I'm sure you don't know them off the top of your head, so that's why we want to use the trial and error method. So let's see, can we put 19 into 8? No, we can't do that. That's 8's too small. Let's move on to the next digit. How about 19 into 82? Sure, we can do that. All right. Oh, let me fix my 2 here. All right, so let's think. How many times can I put 19 into 82? Well, I'm going to do some trial and error over here, so I'm going to multiply 19 times something to see. And I'm thinking 19 is pretty close to 20, and 82 is pretty close to 80. So I'm thinking to put 20 into 80, it's about 4 times. So I'm going to try 19 times 4 and see what I come up with. Okay. So 9 times 4 is 36. Boys and girls, if you don't, if you're not super fast with your facts right now, it's okay to use the multiplication chart. Okay. It's okay to use that for this activity. All right, let's carry on. 4 times 1 is 4, plus my 3 is 7. And let me compare now. 19 times 4 is 76. Oh, it looks pretty close to 82, right? It's only about 6 away, so I know I can't do 19 times 5. So let's go ahead and put our 4 above the 2. And we're going to multiply next. 4 times 19 is 76. And then subtract, find the difference between 82 and 76. 2 minus 6, oh, I need to do some regrouping. I'm going to make that 12, and I'm going to take and make this a 7. All right, now I've got 12 minus 6 gives me 6, and 7 minus 7 is 0. Let's bring down, oh, actually, before I bring down, I want to check something. I want to make sure that my difference between 82 and 76 is not greater than my divisor, and it looks like it's not. That just helps me keep on track. Okay. All right, now I want to bring down my 7. Okay, so now 19 into 67. How many times can I do that? Well, over here, when we did our 19 times 4, I got 76. That's too much. So let me try 19 times 3. Let's do that. Okay. All right, 9 times 3 is 27. Carry my 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus my 2 is 5. All right, so 19 times 3 gives me 57. Well, I think that's what we're going to use because 76, 19 times 4, is too much. So we have to back down. So let's put our 3 directly above the 7 because that was the last digit we used in that part of the divisor. Or sorry, that part of the dividend. All right, let's multiply. 3 times 19 is 57. All right, let's find the difference. Let's subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. We want to check our work, make sure looks good. We did our multiplication correctly. subtraction, okay? Now, I also want to double check to make sure that this, right here, my difference is smaller than my divisor. All right, if it's not, then I probably can bump up my quotient, but it is, so we're good. Now, I can't put 19 into 10. I can't do that. So we're going to end with a remainder. So our quotient's going to be 43 with the remainder of 10. We could also write it, and I'll put it down here, as a fraction of 43 and 10 over 19. If your division problem doesn't look like this, you can make adjustments on your whiteboard.